in the ground. Those rainy days, it's classic old days.
I bought to making a painting. That's his business. Hand creation. Huge creation. Hi. Alibo na po spinning wheel bowl. Let's just go get the free. Mura ni atong kuan dili kinabuhi. What you gonna get the free po? Dali po. Okay, dali po.
To get your hair done.
Oh, it's okay for daddy. It's a free?
You just need to follow us on Instagram, please, first.